Andy is an IT manager of a 100-room hotel. Life used to be easier for Andy. He was always able to keep his guests happy by having enough bandwidth for them. He wanted each guest to have 1 MB in bandwidth. So he could just multiply that by 100 rooms, which is roughly the number of guests. And assuming that at any one time only 40% of them is actively surfing or downloading, he just needed to provision 40 MB in total bandwidth. It was simple. But all this changed with the proliferation of Wi-Fi in devices like iPhones, iPads, Android, PSP, Game Boy, etc. Guests are now bringing a lot more devices into the hotel. Dad has a laptop mobile phone. Mom has an iPad and a mobile. Their daughter has an iPad and a mobile, while their son has a mobile and a PSP. 8 devices. Andy tried doubling his bandwidth to 80 megabytes, but that didn't help. The key issue is Andy does not know how many devices to cater for in his planning anymore. If he assumes 800 devices in total, the total bandwidth required would be 320 megabytes, which is too expensive. Worse still, he is not able to allocate the bandwidth to the guests fairly. Guests with more devices use up more bandwidth and cause problems for other guests. Luckily for Andy, he found ANTlabs SG5, which provided a solution to his problem. Using one of the unique features of SG5 Advanced QoS module, Andy is now able to define a single shared rate limit for each guest or room, and dictates that all the devices share the single rate limit assigned to the guest or room. In addition, SG5 Advanced QoS module supports multiple bandwidth tiers, which allows Andy to segregate his total bandwidth: 20 MB for public users, 40 MB for all his guests, 10 MB for selected VIPs, and 10 MB for his meeting rooms and conferences. With this, Andy started offering paid services with guarantee of better quality, which is especially popular with conference and meeting users. This helps to turn the Wi-Fi network into a revenue-generating infrastructure. With SG5, all of Andy's problems are solved. He is now able to plan and determine his bandwidth requirement again, allocate bandwidth fairly to his guests, and generate revenue through offering good quality paid services. Andy is happy again.